Recruits, keep on coming through. Explorers, it's nearly time for your adventure. Welcome to Deep Sea Adventure HQ. I'm the Master Diver here, and we need you to help us on our latest mission. Recruits, we've recently set up Base Camp HQ right here, and it's at this very base of operations where you can join our latest super exciting mission and board one of the adventure submarines to dive to the deepest depths of the sea in search of sunken treasure, real sea creatures, and to discover the lost city of Atlantis. We're always in need of new recruits to join us on our mission. This is your chance to join the next underwater adventure. Loud and clear. Go ahead.
Explorers, I'm the captain here at Deep Sea Adventure HQ. I will be your guide on today's mission. Take a seat with your fellow recruits. Let's see what we discover. Thanks for joining us on our mission today. There's incredible fish, sea creatures, and treasure out here in the deep. We're going to have a whale of a time. For now. Hold on to your brakes, recruits. We're ready to dive. We are now in the coral cave.
Hey, recruits! Check out all of the colorful corals around you. Fun fact, coral reefs form the home for hundreds or even thousands of sea creatures, all living together. Reefs are home to 1/4 of all marine life. In fact, corals are sea creatures too, called polyps. They're usually found in these kinds of tropical waters.
Our systems are showing right on track to find Atlantis. We're off to a flying fish stop. Descending deeper now. And welcome to the deep sea. Some more of our dive team are out here looking for Atlantis, lost treasures in the ocean, and spotted super cool sea creatures.
The water is full of life with Atlantis treasure. Keep an eye open for lurking sharks. Some like to fly around on the seabed. I do love sharks. Awesome factor. Sharks have been on the earth longer than dinosaurs.
Don't forget about the cowgirl stingrays.
They're pretty cool too. They swim in groups and use their wings to kick up the sand and find new holes.
Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching Atlantis. Yay! Yes! Yippee! Whoa! That was amazing!
Did you spot our divers out there working hard on protecting all the sea life in the deep sea? Awesome job, team!
Congratulations, explorers! Our mission to discover Atlantis and the treasures of the deep sea has been a success. It's time to get back up.
Hey, it's been fun sharing the amazing secrets of the ocean with you.
Now, let me check my remote systems to see how many amazing creatures we spotted. Oh! Maybe she's going to start by our guests. It's HQ. And creatures on the coast.
Please exit to the left-hand side.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Deep Sea Adventure. A gentle reminder that over the age of 11 it is mandatory to wear a face mask or covering and show a medical exemption card. These cards are available from the sensory in Mack City. Also, please remember to keep a distance of 2 meters between guests in front, behind you, and also the staff. We thank you for your cooperation and we hope you enjoy the rest of your day here at Legoland Windsor Resort.